whisper now. Say my name. Oh, you know just what it is I want you to do. So say my name. Let it burn. Oh honey, let your body turn. And say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Oh, say my name. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, it started way back when I was a boy. I met you in the middle with a smile when I was coy. Then I pulled up to the house in the corner with a twinkle in my eye, without an idea of what I'd do this time. So I kicked back and waited for you to walk out the door. I watched you with an intent that glued me to the floor. You're beautiful, so gorgeous and alone. Honey, all I want is to hear that sweet tone when you say my name. Say it loud, no way to whisper now. Say my name. Oh, you know just what it is I want you to do. So say my name. Let it burn. Oh honey, let your body turn. And say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Just say my name. Hey, yeah, yeah. Now stop and bring it right back while I set your heartbeat. Click, click, I don't mean to be bossy, but damn I do, even if it costs me. Then a race against time, but honey, it's fine if you wanna just watch me. And soon enough I know you'll do exactly what I love when you say my name. Say loud, no way to whisper now. Say my name. Oh, you know just what it is I want you to do. So say my name. Let it burn. Oh honey, let your body turn. And say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Oh, say my name. Hey, yeah, yeah. Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, that we both bring some. Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. I'm just tryna figure out what I'm just tryna figure out. It's magic. Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate. Now I know where the sparks come from. One touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. I'm just tryna figure out. I'm just tryna figure out. It's magic. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby you have it. Life's better ever since you have been. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sun shine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out what happened.
I don't know when it started. It feels as natural as drinking water. Learning my lessons, but still looking for some trouble I can sink my teeth into. They want me to live in a cage, but that don't look good on me. They're afraid of a thrill, but I can feel the rage flowing through my body. The wild side is a friend of mine. I'm an animal. I'm an animal. The wild side doesn't waste no time. I'm an animal. I'm an animal. Is my enemy, so don't take the attention that I give you personally. No, 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 no. They want me to live in a cage to control these feelings. They think it's better for me, but that is a mistake, 'cause I know what they're missing. The wild side